I've had like those moments, where I've had this, some inkling feeling ki, something is going to happen and it happens.
When we talk about superstition, what it is the fear of something bad happening to you.
Whenever they're doing any black magic or Vashikaran or anything like that, it is the Nariyal and the Nimbu. Okay? That is believed to have these supernatural powers.
Hi, I'm Bhushan Tripathi.
Hi, I'm Nushada Balsara.
Hey, I'm Nemo Chakraborty.
And
This is the Three Amigos podcast. Hey guys, welcome back to the Three Desi Amigos podcast. This is me, your host, Nemo Chakraborty, alongside my co-hosts, my friends, my brothers in arms, Nushazar and Bhushan. Hi guys,
Hello,
welcome.
guys.
Hey guys.
Thank you for
Thank
being
you
here
for
once
having
again.
us again, Mimo.
Arey, it's my honor and pleasure to
I
have you both.
understand after
No, nothing. See, whenever a podcast episode finishes, na, I have this great ability to forgive. मैं छोड़ देता हूँ, मैं भूल जाता हूँ.
what about forget?
वो होगा, वो उम्र के साथ खुद ही भूल जाऊंगा. Don't worry. So that is automatically happening now. I have to keep 100 reminders in a day so that I don't forget things. Reminder
Start
is my new
tattooing.
best friend. Pardon?
Start tattooing.
No. I can't be Gajini. In fact,
Gajini.
actually, no. You know the reason I can't do tattoos is because there's a fact about me. I got keloid skin. So I don't know whether you guys know what keloid skin is. Keloids is, it's like when I get and this is only above the chest for some reason, near the bone. So if I get a deep cut, which is like near the bone or something, the skin clots, but it doesn't stop clotting. So there's a formation of extra skin over the wound. So the brain doesn't stop giving the signal that it is stopped. So imagine, so that's the reason.
Something
Remember
like
when we,
you won't be able to see it.
pardon,
But
you also have
it-
keloid skin?
I think it happens on my arms only, where
Oh,
it
okay.
becomes like bumpy skin.
Yeah, exactly. So you have to
Mm.
take like, anabolic shots to make it go down and laser. But touch wood, now I've been very careful about it. But remember when we were speaking about the Jake Paul Mike Tyson fight, remember I had the guard on. So I was so afraid that, when I got punched in the face, that I hope I
Yes.
don't get keloid skin, because that's the reason I've stopped doing physical combat sports. Although I love MMA, I just can't do it physically. Even when there's a sparring session, I just like, not me. So yeah. So no tattoos for me. So guys, welcome back. How have you been? Please tell the viewers.
Good. It's a Sunday. Relaxed.
Good.
Woke up
Chill.
at 9.
Arey
Had
wow.
breakfast.
What was for
Slept again.
breakfast?
Salami, prosciutto, ham, and fried eggs.
Forget I asked. So
You're
So
telling this to the vegan man. Oh, whoa.
exactly. So
No,
what
no,
I
let it
do
be.
is now I break the fried eggs so it all oozes out, and then I use the ham like a chapati.
No, Shazar, thank you.
Yes.
I love
You're
you. Thank you.
most welcome.
His mouth is watering.
Because look at his face.
With that, you know how dogs get angry and then the दांत से saliva निकलता वैसा निकल रहा है मुझे. It's the other way around. It's not because my mouth is watering because of what I'm missing. Just for the record.
I remember telling Mimo that for every piece of meat you don't eat, I'll eat 2 for you. Why
Thank
are
you
happy?
for your such dedication and contribution to society. That's wonderful. Thank you. And what about you, Bhushan? What did you eat for breakfast?
I had like moong dal chila
Ah,
with tea, with my
Arey,
cup of tea.
oh,
So yeah,
so nice. Such wonderful words coming out of your mouth, buddy.
yeah.
Such wonderful words. Nice. Good. So today's episode is all about superstitions. Yes, वहम जैसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में. And we will be diving into this world of superstition and how it affects us and whether it affects us anymore or not. But as you know, as always, the one person who plays this game with me is Bhushan Tripathi. Nushazar, I'm not going to ask you anymore out of respect to you, because you're so
We should.
dedicated of wearing your favorite collections or collection.
Collection.
Oh, sorry. Collection of a t-shirt, which is your gray plain t-shirt. It doesn't even have any design. होता है ना कि एक एम्बलम हो या कुछ डिजाइन हो, वो भी नहीं है आपका. तो forget. Out of respect, I'm not going to ask you. My respect, not yours. My respect.
There is a Nike symbol.
Wow. Thank you. Nike, sponsor us soon. And
Very soon.
of course. And Bhushan,
Give everyone
what?
the same grey shirt.
No. That's not the condition. That's not going to be in the contract. It's going to be whenever, like, the more our viewership is increasing. Again, thanks guys for that. Thank you so much. So we are going to get, like, Nike is going to be our partner in that. So that's how the deal is going to be, like the Jordan deal. You know, fingers crossed.
4th is my birthday.
4th of Jan.
Hmm.
So
So for an episode before or around that time,
mhm.
everyone needs to wear a grey shirt.
Technically, you
this.
are right because it's your birthday, so we have to listen to you. But okay, chalo. Bhushan, do you have a grey shirt?
Yeah, I do.
I
I'll
don't
send
wear-
this one over. Exact one I'll buy and I'll send over for y'all also.
You're
Sorry,
sending it,
Baba.
ना?
I
भेज
might.
रहा है ना तू? हाँ,
If
तूने
you
बोल
send
दिया
me
अभी
your-
podcast पे.
If your measurements you send, I will
I'll send.
look for it and I'll do it.
I will
Everyone will
send.
wear the same shirt.
As long as you send it to me, I'm okay with it.
ठीक है.
Done?
I'm M Mimos Excel. I
Yeah.
think that should sort it out. Yeah.
Correct.
Your M Mimos Excel.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Guys,
Done.
you heard now what he said. He said he's gonna buy us the t-shirt. So if he buys it, we're gonna be wearing it close to his birthday. Done deal. Okay. This I'm also saying done deal. Okay.
Done.
And
See how
Bhushan-
much we love you, Nusha sir.
I don't know
We-
that.
we
With
love him
all the
immensely.
words that you all say only I know.
Easy. Bhushan क्या है? We love him immensely. He doesn't. वो फर्क है.
Yeah.
हम लोग के लिए क्या है? He's like one of those, small squirrels who's just going out and, seeing the world.
अरे don't
we
say
had-
squirrel.
What?
वो न्यूयॉर्क में देखा ना squirrel का क्या हो रहा है?
They
They're
did that.
euthanizing squirrel.
Well,
Euthanizing
thank
squirrel.
God for you, we're not in New York, na buddy. तो
हाँ,
वही होगा.
कभी जाऊंगा भी नहीं मैं at this point.
Exactly. Because you identify as a squirrel animal,
Yes.
stuff like that.
Well,
Yeah.
what if I die?
No.
Well, how
Shubh
will
shubh
you all
bol.
do two amigos?
नहीं होएगा. हो ही नहीं पाएगा. We'll bring another one. That person
Yeah.
will become the third one. But two तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
अरे this should have now been 2.5 amigos.
Why? Oh, okay. For 2.5 men.
You all, हाँ.
Why? You're half
See-
or what?
You keep saying ना I'm still not a man.
Half and half.
No, hey.
I'm still a
I never said
child.
you're
I'm
not
still
a man.
small.
I s-
ये वो
I
बोलते हैं.
I relate to you
Oh,
as
boy.
my
You're
baby
calling me
cub.
squirrel.
हाँ, being a squirrel is better. Like you're like my baby cub.
Hmm.
You're like the Simba of my Mufasa. That's deep, bro. रोना आ रहा है ना तुझे अभी? I know. I know you're
Yeah,
crying inside out of the love.
But Mufasa dies.
So yeah, Bhushan, please tell us and the viewers what t-shirt are you wearing today?
So this is a WrestleMania 35 tee,
Okay.
where I was there. So this is like a tradition. Whenever you are
Yes.
at WrestleMania, you have to buy a WrestleMania t-shirt.
Correct.
And it's a symbol that you were there at WrestleMania. So
True.
an 8-year-old kid someday said that, एक दिन तो WrestleMania जाऊंगा. And in 2019, it came through. And
That's
it
right.
was a big eureka moment for me, that finally I'm here. I was sitting right at the back, probably the third to last row or something.
At the
was
nosebleeds.
watching-
Huh.
I was watching on the big screen and it was freezing cold, okay?
Damn.
And about 1 lakh people, 110,000 people in that arena, MetLife Stadium. It was unbelievable.
Crazy.
So
No, I do believe that, as whoever is out there who's a WWE fan, I pray that, all of you who are like such hardcore fans of WWE, like including me and Bhushan, if you get the chance to watch WrestleMania once in your life, you really should, because it's something like you pay homage to this great entertainment industry. And it's also एक यार दिल की खुशी के यार एक बार WrestleMania देख लिया. So I wish that you all get to see that dream come true for you as well. Great. So today we're talking about superstitions, talking
You
about
didn't talk
Vahem.
about your outfit.
My outfit, though, see, it's Punisher.
it is the Punisher.
It's the Punisher.
Inside and out.
Yes. This is like I am Frank Castle in and out. So I'm like today. But today I had this, the black and white cap. But I thought let's give that a break. Let's put this black and let's put this white. So that is my, automatically क्या हो जाता है मालूम है, जब मैं पॉडकास्ट में आने लगता हूँ ना, मेरे अंदर का जो फैशन गुरु वो निकल जाता है बाहर, ऐसे बाहर निकल जाता है. Lead, lead. No, so that-
Smash,
so-
smash.
smash, that. तो हाँ वो निकल जाता है खुद ब खुद. Like he keeps talking to me, wear this, ये पहनो, ये पहनो.
Justifying schizophrenia, bhai. He's hearing voices. He thinks he's
Oh
Randy
boy.
Orton.
I hear voice. ऐसा है ना उसका Randy Orton का. Yeah, that way. So yeah. So I'm maybe the Randy Orton of of this podcast. I might give you guys the RKO, through the podcast, through the cam. वो भी हो सकता है. Yeah. Yeah. So then the guru in me just rises up, So that's so. Thank you, everyone. So yes, talking about superstitions, guys. Let's begin with both of you. What are your superstitions and why? And if you have any.
So one that I actually have, is deja vu a superstition? Like,
No,
कि-
no. Deja vu
No,
is
no, no.
actually,
It's not.
I'll give you guys a small
Hmm.
fact about deja vu. Deja vu is like the brain malfunctioning for a millisecond. So when you feel that, oh, that's deja vu, actually the brain response to that very second has gone default. It's gone kharab. आपको लगता है कि आपने किया but नहीं किया. So the brain for that 0.1 millisecond twitches. So अरे क्या हुआ? So that's what deja vu is. Yeah.
But
Ah, so
I've
continue.
had like those moments, where I've had this, some inkling feeling कि, something is going to happen and it happens, right?
But that's
हो
more
जाता
gut
है बहुत
instinct,
बार.
ना? वो तो gut instinct है. Premonition. Those are premonitions.
हाँ, so
What you're
another
talking
superstition.
about. No.
Hmm.
What you're talking about is more premonition, that you feel that something is about to happen. That is premonition. Superstition is more about, if I like, how they say na कि काली बिल्ली रास्ता काटे तो आगे मत जाओ. Those are superstitions. Those are like folklore superstitions. Superstitions personal भी होते हैं.
So one is, I don't know if I believe it or not, okay? But as I instinctually, I avoid lemons on the road. Like,
Avoid
Yeah, yeah.
lemons as in, I didn't
Same,
understand.
same,
वो
same.
nimbus and all that have fallen on the road,
वो
na.
नींबू में
This
जो
one
पिन डाल
time,
के
my
रखते हैं.
grandfather told me कि
काला जादू.
this is witchcraft. You step on it, your life is finished.
Oh, अच्छा. Okay. It's like
ठीक
just
है?
some random lemon अगर भी रास्ते में गिर गया, you won't step on it.
Like
Yeah.
if there's lemon, avoid it. If there is
Okay.
lemon with like chili hanging off, red tikka and all, avoid it like the plague.
मतलब भागो.
ठीक है? And it's
मतलब
like,
वहां से भागो.
sometimes I feel like अरे क्या ही होगा, ठीक है? But I still
Correct,
avoid it.
चलो.
वो से
Fair enough.
instinctual हो गया अभी कि like बस avoid करना है उसको.
अरे वो सिखाया गया ना हम लोग को बचपन से हम लोग को सिखाया गया कि
My
यार ये
grandfather
नहीं
told
करना
me
है.
only once. ठीक है? But
Hmm.
I don't know, it resonated hard कि like अरे ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. I don't believe in that काली बिल्ली stuff, and there is another one at my house कि कैची ऐसा directly नहीं देते किसी को.
हाँ कि
Because
झगड़ा
झगड़ा
हो
हो
जाता
जाता
है.
है.
हाँ, it causes like,
Fights.
fights.
अरे like
So-
wait, when we'll talk about superstition, there are like a billion things people don't do because of superstition. But continue.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
ये सब like घर पे भी like knife you have to put down, कैची, any sharp object you have to put down and the other person has to pick up.
Correct.
फिर Saturday को बाल नहीं काटने का. Like
This I've not heard. Okay. Saturday को
yeah.
बाल.
So I prefer going for a haircut on Saturday only
Perfect.
because it's like weekend आ गया है, first day of the weekend, get everything done. Sunday you can relax.
Relax. Correct.
That's my idea. ठीक है? नहीं,
Makes sense.
you can't do it. It's bad luck.
Okay.
Can't cut nails on a Tuesday in my house.
Acha, this also I've not heard. Okay. That's
it doesn't
crazy.
make sense to me.
I know. This is just,
But-
passed on through
Yeah.
generation to generation.
These are all these tiny superstitions and all that we have.
Correct.
Then this is, I guess, abhi ke liye itna only I can remember. I'll try to remember more because there are many.
Fair enough. Oh, yeah.
Bu-
There's so many.
Tab tak Bhushan can talk.
Bhushan, what about you? What are your superstitions, if you have any?
So I have a lot at home.
Okay.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, no nails, no hair.
अरे जो अभी
Okay.
नुशाजा ने जो बोला.
हाँ.
हाँ, okay.
So
चलो.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, no nails, no hair.
Acha, TTS.
Yeah.
Okay.
No buying chappals or shoes on Saturday.
Okay.
Okay. No buying any metal or metal objects on Saturday.
Okay.
Okay. Since Shani Maharaj का वो होता है, it is Shanivar, so you tend to attract bad luck, and whatever comes does not bear fruit.
Fair enough.
It's
Fair
like that.
enough. Okay.
फिर झाड़ू शाम में नहीं निकालेंगे, इवनिंग में घर में झाड़ू नहीं लगेगा, because it's said that that is Lakshmi ji's time to come inside
That
the
also.
house.
Oh, अच्छा.
So yeah, and then the sharp objects thingy,
वो तो पता है.
that's it. फिर अगर if even if my mom gets me a handkerchief or my wife gets me a handkerchief, I have to pay them something. It's like, you can't take a handkerchief. Same for perfume.
परफ्यूम का तो है,
Okay.
पता है मुझे.
Yeah.
परफ्यूम्स का तो
So
you have to give them 101 rupees.
yeah.
ऐसा कुछ होता है ना उसका.
Which I
और
was not
फिर-
aware of.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, for perfumes, my mom has this strict rule कि जब भी परफ्यूम दो 101 रुपए, 101 not 100, 101 रुपए उनसे वापस लो वरना झगड़ा हो जाएगा.
Right.
That is
So never buy anybody a watch. If
Why?
you have to buy somebody a watch,
Hmm.
take them, let them get to choose, transfer the money to them and let them pay.
But ऐसा
you
क्यों?
don't
What
buy.
is the reason?
वो कहते कि समय चले जाता है आपका, your time goes.
Your time goes.
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Oh,
If
shit.
you buy a gift, a watch for somebody, it takes away your time.
चलो, thank God.
Acha, the
मेरा
person buying the watch ka time goes.
no,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Like if I'm
So-
gifting you both watches,
Yeah,
मेरा
your
वक्त
time
कम
will
हो
go.
जाएगा.
We are taking his time. Yes.
So then मेरा
Then
तो
I'm
I'm
safe.
No, I am so relieved. मैं बस आज जाने ही वाला था घड़ी लेने तुम दोनों के लिए. I'm like, thank God.
You can
ये
transfer
चीज
us the
मुझे
money
कभी
by
नहीं
we'll
देनी.
get it.
Transfer the money instead. I'd prefer that.
Yeah.
प्यार से. That was out of my love I was doing. I'm like,
Out of love,
घंटा
send
अभी-
money.
घंटा अभी गया. अभी तेरा बर्थडे आ रहा था. I remember. I'm like, नहीं, I'm going to get Nushazar a watch because I've never seen him wearing a watch. So like, आज दे ही देता हूँ एक. Like, thank God this is out
I
of the
wear
picture.
this watch everywhere.
I've never seen you wearing it in the podcast. Sorry.
घर पे क्यों पहनूंगा?
Hello. मैं हमेशा पहनता हूँ ये देखो.
You to have an Apple Watch.
वक्त मेरे
That's
साथ
not
है.
a real watch. That's a small glorified phone only.
You're an
There's no
Apple guy,
style
yaar.
उसमें.
He's sitting right there. Don't give him excuses to hate
No,
Apple.
I'm
more.
against
हाँ.
smartwatches in general.
This
I
is my
prefer
wife's
these,
watch.
yeah.
It's an Apple watch,
हाँ, yes.
It's kept on charger.
Yeah, yeah.
So my wife is an Apple person. So she is from Venus and I'm from Mars.
Correct. No. You're not from Mars, buddy. You're from Andromeda Galaxy. You're from a different part. Samsung Galaxy, no? You're from a
Samsung, yeah.
different galaxy.
Yeah,
Mic
yeah,
drop,
I
bro.
belong to that galaxy.
This is the mic drop section.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
Hey,
You're right.
keep a plastic mic, na?
I think I have to. In every episode, I have this one great mic drop session. क्या बोलो यार? Like you guys take 10 slays, I take one slay and the field is leveled.
It is
Dropping a mic
superstition.
once is easier
Superstition.
than dropping it 10 times.
छोड़ो ना यार. तुम लोग छोड़ो अभी.
Superstition.
You're telling
हाँ.
the lion how to rule the jungle. ये वही बात हो गई ना. ठीक है. No problem. हाँ. No.
अच्छा सुपरस्टिशन में एक और चीज है कि घर के अंदर नाखून काट के घर में नहीं गिरना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
nail cut should not be done inside the house.
You do it at the window.
Yeah, you do it at the window
मतलब
and
बाहर
it
गिरना
should
चाहिए.
it should not fall inside. Okay.
और अगर
know-
गिरा भी तो
Yeah,
फट
pick
फेंक
it
दो.
out and throw it out. Yes.
You want to know something? Like जितने भी चीजें आप लोग ने अभी बोली है ना, besides that scissor thing, everything happens. Like for example, I will cut my nails sitting in my sofa and I'll put it in the dustbin. One.
Yeah.
My maid na, she comes only in the evening for the cleaning. सोचो, वो भी होता है. So I'm like, everything is happening opposite in my house. Like, I don't believe in superstition.
That's why you're a narcissist and a vegan now. na?
Yes.
See how it all manifests.
I am
यहाँ पे
just,
Absolutely.
Bhushan and I are following these things. We are pinnacle of society, and then
I am just
veganism है वहाँ.
I'm just very strong-willed. But
The
no, no.
world's evil.
Jesus. Huh. Really, but on a serious note, I do want to point this out. When it comes to superstition, as a kid, my God, it was like a disease for me. Like trust me, like whenever I used to go to school, okay, we used to live in Ooty. So my school, we used to live in the hotel in the Monarch. So my school was like 5 minutes away by car. But in the morning, I would have this cup of tea, jo aata tha. And I would always align the cups in a certain way in the morning. I would sit in a particular side of the table. I will check how many cubes of sugar are there. I will open the curtains in such that exact degree. Like it was that bad for me when I was growing up. धीरे धीरे ये सब मैं निकलने लगा इससे. And I'm very
That
happy that
sounds
I'm
more
out
like
of it.
OCD.
Yes.
No, it was OCD, but it was
Ah.
also superstition that if I don't do this,
Acha,
my
acha,
day is
okay,
gonna
you
go bad.
believed it like that. Okay.
Yeah, in
Mm.
my head, see, now I know it's OCD. But back then I thought this is superstition. Like I have to do this. Because my parents were very superstitious when I was growing up. Now my parents are not like that, you know,
I see.
which is a great thing. Like nobody in the family, you know, whether it's my wife, my siblings, my in-laws, my parents, nobody is superstitious anymore. In that
Namoshi is तो
degree.
definitely not. वो तो दिख गया था उस दिन.
Yeah.
वो
He's
तो he is a rock star यार. वो तो full bona fide rock star. Except the scissor thing. उसका
हाँ.
एक होता है मुझे कि यार नहीं यार तू उधर ही रख दो चलेगा. बस that's the only thing which I know which I still carry on is that superstition.
अच्छा. There's one
Yeah.
more in my house, ठीक है. Like how he said कि झाड़ू नहीं मार सकते ना. तो then मेरे घर में exact like the moment the sky starts losing its blue color or the light,
Light on कर लो.
मेरा दरवाजा खुल जाता है घर का. Like we have a door and we have a gate outside.
Okay.
ठीक है. So the gate stays closed, but the door is open and lights come on in the house. बाहर का लाइट अंदर का लाइट. ठीक है.
नहीं मतलब
इसलिए
करना
लक्ष्मी जी
पड़ता
आ
है.
रही है तो दरवाजा खुला है रखना पड़ेगा.
Light. हाँ, उजाला होना चाहिए.
Okay, okay, okay.
Like that.
Crazy, crazy.
Dot my grandmother तो like clockwork every day will keep it on. ऐसा you know you start hearing the switches वहाँ पे and you hear the door getting opened, you're like हाँ चलो अभी ये time हो गया. वो कैसे big
It's
Ben
it's like
12
a
बजे
sign.
कैसे
हाँ.
हर घंटे वो बजता है वैसे ही
Correct,
you
correct.
know कि अभी हो गया time.
नहीं बट वही ना like when we're talking about superstition ऐसे कितने चीजें like even vastu, even that feng shui, this all comes from superstition.
Yeah.
Correct.
See, who doesn't want tarakki? Who doesn't want good things in their life? Of course, it's very natural, and people should get that. Why not? But I do believe when we talk about superstition, what it is the fear of something bad happening to you. So you create
Correct.
more insecurities in your life so that the bad doesn't happen. यही तो downside है ना superstition का. Why is it called superstition? It's because you start with the good intention. Okay, Rahu Kalam. I remember when we were growing up, like in
What's
Ooty and
Rahu Kalam?
Safari Park. You don't know what Rahu Kalam is?
No.
Okay, I'll tell you. Rahu Kalam is like it's more. I think maybe even here they practice, but in South India, they really practice that. Whoever believes in it is that if you want to travel somewhere, let's say I want to go to work or I want to travel from Ooty to Masnagudi, our resort. In that time only you can travel. Let's say 12 से 4 तक राहु कालम में अच्छा समय नहीं है जाने का.
हाँ, don't travel. Yes.
हाँ.
Yes.
Oh.
4
okay,
बजे
okay.
के बाद जाओ या 12 बजे से पहले निकल जाओ. Like leave by 11:55, but don't leave after 12. ऐसे चीजें
अच्छा
होती
अच्छा. So it's
हाँ.
like not doing any religious activity or good things on a new moon or something like that.
Something like that. Something. But this has got to do with travel, what I know.
हाँ,
Like
हाँ.
अगर कोई मीटिंग के लिए भी जाना है तो इसके पहले निकलो या फिर इसके बाद. Like the point of travel has to be not between those hours of the day. As I told you, mom, dad was super superstitious back in the day. So we used to see all this. अभी क्या है? अभी अगर 2 बजे का ऑडिशन है, I can't tell them ना सर मेरा राहु कालम है
राहु
4
कालम.
बजे तक. तो भले भाई तू राहु कालम रख, मैं किसी और को ले रहा हूँ. You know what I mean? It's like today I know all of this is very stupid. Again, this is only
Right.
my opinion. I'm not saying that people should not believe what they believe. I believe in live and let live. मेरे लिए ये सब अभी बहुत stupid हो चुका है. Because I know कि ये actually सिर्फ insecurities है. ये और कुछ नहीं है. This is just fear, constant fear कि भाई अगर तू ये नहीं करेगा तो तेरे साथ बुरा होगा. Which we should not believe in, is what I believe.
अरे but भाई when we are saying superstition हमको लगता है superstition सिर्फ इंडिया में, but that's not the case.
It's everywhere. It's
Everywhere.
Any place you freaking go to in America, there'll be no 13th floor.
I know.
Yeah.
मालूम
After 12th, it's 14th.
14. Do you know
That's
why it's 13?
Yeah, I don't know. 13 was like a bad omen, so
Yeah.
No. It's I think I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I hope I'm right. If I'm wrong, please forgive me. The apostles. No, not the apostles. Like the Last Supper. I think the 13th one was the one. Who was the one who betrayed
Judas.
Christ? Judas.
Judas.
Judas was the 13th disciple. That is the reason they don't put the number 13. They find it unlucky.
I see.
This is what I think it is. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but 90% I think I'm sure. There is a reason they didn't put number 13.
Even Friday the 13th, there's some Friday the 13th.
13th, yeah, Friday the
Yes.
13th. Oh, it is freak.
No,
Friday
it is
13th
because-
people go berserk.
हाँ, it is because on Friday, that is when he did that. That was when the supper happened. So it was
Acha, it was
Friday.
Friday the 13th that
Yeah,
time.
and it was the 13th. So that, and he was the 13th disciple of Christ, Judas, and he betrayed him. That
I
way.
see. Then
Yes,
even apna 666 and all that stuff.
no,
Devil's
66
number
is
and all.
the number of the devil.
Devil, yes.
No. If you turn it like 6th June 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. So that is
Hmm.
like the sign of the devil. Like the devil comes to earth. Again, वो ना superstition ही है. We should do a topic also on urban legends. That is
Yes.
also a very good
Hmm.
conversation. Urban legends. I have so many urban legends. I'm fascinated with them. I've
Are
read a book on urban legends.
I used to back in school na, in my between like 7th to 9th grade, and I was a big fan of these things called creepy pastas.
Creepy pastas.
Yeah.
मतलब spaghetti
No.
pasta.
Nahi, so have you ever heard of copy pasta?
नहीं.
So it's basically creepy
I've
paste or
heard of
copy
Akhari
paste.
pasta.
हाँ, copy paste समझ गया मैं.
हाँ,
हाँ.
but it's like वो लोग पास्ता बोलते हैं on the internet, ठीक है उसको.
Okay.
So these are creepy pastas are just scary stories built like based on urban legend, like Slender Man and all. You must
I
have
know.
heard.
Oh,
Those
yeah,
are creepy
yeah.
pastas.
Okay.
So
Okay.
those are also like these urban legend things only.
Of course.
So I used to watch them. एक घंटे के bloody voiceover episodes used to be there. I used to listen and think those are real at the time. I was
Crazy.
like Wendigo and all. I used to think Wendigo is like a real like
No,
superstitious
Wendigo is a
belief.
myth. Wendigo is a
हाँ.
what? I think it's a Mexican lore. Wendigo.
Right. But I used to think, अरे ये तो real है and all, and then they used to put pictures and all, like voiceover पे picture डालते थे. हम अरे this is a real picture and all.
हाँ, like the Yeti, ना.
हाँ, like
अमेरिका
the
का
Yeti.
सबसे famous folklore is the Yeti, the
Yeti.
myth. हाँ, the Yeti, the snowman.
Snowman, yeah.
So guys,
Rockstar
when
games में ना,
हाँ?
Rockstar games
Pardon?
में in GTA San Andreas, in GTA San Andreas, GTA 5, and both Red Dead Redemption games na, there is a like Easter egg of the Bigfoot.
Of the Yeti.
This thing.
I know. Bigfoot. I know.
In
I've
San
seen that,
Andreas,
I've
you
seen
find the real one and you kill it.
Oh wow.
ठीक है?
Okay.
In
Crazy.
GTA 5, you find a guy dressed as Bigfoot, just trying to scare people.
That is GTA for you, buddy. GTA
अरे
5.
भाई,
Yeah.
It's just
So,
so good.
speaking of superstitions, we have said about superstitions which are at home.
I have one more.
Please,
One more at home.
Please.
Like if you're storing a wallet, उसमें कुछ पैसा रहना ही चाहिए. You can't keep the wallet empty
Ah,
because
Yeah,
it
yeah.
will that
Even if you
that'll
give
empty
a
your
wallet,
bank
it
balance.
shouldn't be empty.
Like that.
Yeah.
ये सब मेरे लिए very new. Honestly, these are like pretty
Hmm.
new for me.
Like
Crazy.
even if
You
it's
can
just
give
a
us
1
wallets
rupee
filled with
coin or
money, but we'll
something.
take it.
तुम लोग को तो घड़ी देने वाला था ना मैं अभी नहीं दे रहा. तुम
You
लोग
can
मुझे
give us
दे
a
दो
wallet
घड़ी.
filled with money.
Instead, gift us a wallet with the money for the watch in it.
You
Yes.
both should collectively give me one watch. तो तुम दोनों का आधा कटेगा, not पूरा. तुम्हारी जिंदगी आधी कटेगी. समझ गए? Math. See, that.
That way,
I know,
I have
I-
more to lose.
तुझे क्या है भाई? मैं 40 का हूँ. तू अभी 24 का है. पूरी जिंदगी है तेरी.
Exactly. So
हाँ.
if you have 20 years left, you will only lose 10 years.
What
I have
do you
60
mean
years.
20 years?
I'm
Hello.
giving it.
What is that? 20 years and all. हाँ.
अरे,
Give an estimate
I'm
like
just
40 years more, man. कुछ भी.
okay. So if you have 40 years to lose, then you will lose half of it, which is 20. Okay. Well, I will have 60, so I'll lose 30. No?
Why you also have 60? Inshallah, you should be 80, 90. No, wait.
So 80
No,
होगा ना?
no. For you, it's 80 is fine. 80 is fine. ठीक है.
हाँ, तो then
नहीं मैं सोच रहा था ना कि your contribution to earth. So I'm like, no, 80 is fine. Perfect.
80 is fine only. इतना कौन जिएगा भाई? पागल.
नहीं, perfect. I was thinking from Mother Earth's point of view, but yeah, okay.
नहीं. It's good
नहीं,
for Earth
वो-
if I go.
वो आवाज आ रही थी मुझे. बोल दे उसे. You know
Hmm.
stuff like that. हाँ. Yeah. So yeah,
It's
so it's
okay.
coming.
My
Yeah, thank you.
children will carry on my legacy.
अरे वाह आप देख भी चुके हो ना अपना फ्यूचर. Very nice. Very good. I'm very happy for you.
I'll have 2 kids.
Okay.
ठीक है? Both of them will eat double of what I eat. Meat
Chalo,
wise.
next question. Thank you. Very good. Thank you for the info. So,
But by
हाँ,
very
बोलो.
interesting. I think initially, Nushaza had mentioned about deja vu and premonition.
Hmm.
So I also see deja vu and premonition also in a similar light of superstition, because there are moments that you feel that this has happened already, and I've seen it in a dream
In a dream.
sometime, or that, and it's actually happening, and I know what's going to happen next, and it happens.
अरे वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ. Like,
Dude, नहीं, I'm genuinely like I'll dream about it, ठीक है? And then I'm working and that person in that exact spot says the exact thing that I heard in my dream.
Yep. Yep.
Like, oh ये
हाँ
क्या हो
नहीं,
रहा है?
but see, but that also now when we go into that topic,
Hmm.
it's going to be very very deep, because see, now what you're talking about premonition and what you're talking about deja vu, I believe those are like signs and affirmations. That goes very spiritual for me. Like यार ये तो मैंने सोचा था, ये तो मैंने देखा था. It's
Hmm.
happening now. You
Yeah.
know, like how we बोलते हैं ना कि when you think of something, it comes to reality because your energies are there. तो वो एक पूरा जो what you guys are talking about now, we can make a complete episode on deja vu and premonitions, which is
There
also
was
another
a
amazing
there was a
topic.
thing I read, you know, I was just researching
Yeah, yeah,
if
yeah.
deja vu is scientific or if it's like a just like a belief that we
Thing.
have in our head and stuff, ठीक है? But like I might butcher it, but Bhushan, you know how there are 4 yugas, no?
Yeah.
So they said कि in the first yuga, I don't remember the name, ठीक है? So I'll not say it
Hmm.
to avoid
Hmm.
any avoid
Okay.
offending anyone, ठीक है? But in the first yuga, it was like man and his spiritual side were intertwined completely, ठीक है? And you know, good and truthfulness was ruling the world at the
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
And they say कि throughout those ages, up until right now, which is Kali Yuga, we have lost touch with our spiritual side. Okay.
Okay.
So these deja vus that you see na, they are your spiritual side as a coming through and giving you premonitions of the future, and not like those people used to have pehले.
Acha, okay.
Right.
That is why I'm saying कि it is a, what do you say, like a superstitious thing or like ऐसा belief. That is
समझ गया,
the
समझ गया.
uh,
Yeah, maybe.
arc that I
maybe.
was trying to go on.
See, now again, वही हो गया ना. What we thought was more, related to all of this, today it's now science. Again,
Hmm.
I'm not saying I'm right. I'm just telling you what I read, with research and all. But again, that's a topic for a different day. We will get into
Hmm.
it. Coming to the next question, which I wanted to
Mhm.
talk about. आप लोगों ने तो अभी घर का superstition बताया.
हाँ.
Which is that one major, community superstition which you believe is like how you told about lemons, जैसे बिल्ली रोड क्रॉस करे,
Mhm.
which is that one thing according to you which is like the biggest effect in your life and which you believe has the most power in your life, the
The lemon
community
one only.
superstition.
The lemon one only for me.
अच्छा.
Otherwise, like ये scissor वाला and all, तो मैं अरे just take it. My mom is like, जैसा हाथ पीछे कर देगी, like you can't give it to me. Put it down.
कौन सा वाला?
But the scissor one, the sharp objects
हाँ,
वाला
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
So those things don't lesser affect me because I'm just like, just take it and nothing's gonna happen. But the lemon
Correct.
one, like I told you, na, involuntary. I don't even have
Okay.
to think, I avoid it. Driving also I try and avoid. Like I don't try to take my tire over it.
समझ गया. But you do know now when it comes to lemons, now you're talking about tire, जब कोई न्यू गाड़ी खरीदते हैं ना, हम लोग को लेमन्स
Hmm.
डालने पड़ते टायर में. Imagine.
Yeah.
हाँ, वो you put it
It's a fresh
underneath the
lemon. Yeah.
front. Yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ,
It's a fresh lemon.
चारों टायर के आगे आप रखो, थोड़ी सी गाड़ी आगे चला लो. Like you go ahead with the car. That's like
Right.
good luck that you're
हाँ,
going
अरे
ahead.
वो सब पूजा वूजा करना पड़ता है and you break a coconut in front of it for it to be like nice and prosperous. सब
नहीं
कुछ
सोचो, वही नींबू, मतलब आप अपने लिए करो तो अच्छा है, आप बाहर देखो तो बुरा है. That's what the नींबू stands for, Next time मैं नींबू डालूंगा, मतलब देख भाई तेरे पास कितना
it's more
पावर है.
like it's a trap. It's more like it's a trap. ठीक है. So
Breadcrumbs.
you know कि your lemon is like had an auspicious and very positive puja done to it. But the one on the road, it could have very well fallen off a car that was driving on the road, gone over a bump, and the nimbu fell off, even though uska अच्छा puja हुआ है, ठीक है? But can you take
Exactly.
the risk?
वही.
That doubt is like, cemented कि can you take the risk? What if इस पे किसी ने काला जादू किया है, तो फिर तुम क्या करोगे भाई?
अभी आप सोचो, अगर ये नींबू के अलावा कोई चीज पिज्जा होता तो ऐसे डैंगलिंग, हाउ टेम्पटिंग दैट इज. दिस आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ इट कि यार ये क्या न्यू सुपरस्टिशन है कि पिज्जा पड़ा है ऐसे रास्ते पे, कौन फेंकेगा एक स्लाइस ऐसे cheese
Modern
pizza का?
problems require modern solutions.
Exactly. So I'm like, ये किसने किया भाई? Like I would rather get angry कि किसने फेंका ये चीज पिज्जा. मैं हर रात को देखता हूँ इन लोग सब यूट्यूबर्स मकबैंग करते हैं खाना का. मैं ही नहीं खा सकता ये, तुम लोग ने फेंक दिया ऐसे. Tragedy of life. Imagine. हाँ, so for Nushazar it's the lemon. Bhushan, for you?
Lemon twist.
For me, it is the lemon and the broken coconut. on the road.
Broken coconut, ये कौन सा है?
Yeah,
I've
अरे
never
these are
heard
all
of this.
these. If you see any food items on the road, ना, you don't know if they've done काला जादू on it. वो ऐसे trap
Yeah,
की तरह छोड़ देते हैं, you know.
yeah,
That's how
It's like a
that's how
bait.
the belief goes.
yeah, yeah.
तो क्या नहीं,
So
कोकोनट का क्या है?
coconut का भी ऐसा ना भाई कि whenever they're doing any black magic or वशीकरण or anything like that, you know, it is the nariyal and the nimbu. Okay,
Okay.
that is believed to have these supernatural powers. Okay, so whatever they want to do, they do it with it and just leave it there. Because the folks on the road, you know, they unknowingly touch it and then, you know, it's gone. So while people might say anything about black magic, but you know, I've seen a lot of go down over the years. Forget the art and the Z horror show and you know, mano yana mano, but I've seen a lot of people go through. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
my known you know, friends, my known loved ones have gone through because of black magic, have lost family members because
Oh
of
damn,
black magic.
that's bad, bro.
So
Sorry to hear
it's
that.
it's not good. You know, the idea is that you just fall into it and there's no way out of it.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, but see,
So
now I'm sorry I'm bringing this topic up of black magic because see, Kala Jadoo is a very infamous stigma and you know infamous evil in our country, of course. And I again, this is nothing to do with personal beliefs. I completely get that. See, like Bhushan
Right.
has told us about his unfortunate tragedies, his family which they have faced. But let me ask you one question about black magic. Okay, now please correct me if I'm wrong. अभी तो हम लोग जो करते हैं कालो जादू क्या होता है दैट यू डिजाइन दिस थिंग फॉर दिस पर्सन टू गेट हार्म, है ना? काला जादू
yeah,
तो वही है
yes,
कि मैंने
yes,
इस पे काला जादू किया है ताकि इसकी तरक्की ना हो, इसको बैड लक हो, इसको पेन हो, व्हाटएवर, फलाना फलाना, करेक्ट?
yeah,
जिससे
yeah.
हम लोग अवॉइड करते हैं. नाउ हाउ इज इट दैट billionaires like you know like what Bhushan mentioned, Musk and then Zuckerberg and then Bezos, इन पर तो हम लोग काला जादू कर रहे हैं, बट इनको कुछ क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन. अगर काला जादू रियल होता तो.
The running theory is that these people are servants of the devil himself.
Oh, again, conspiracy theories. Okay,
ठीक
we're
है.
going there.
Consi-
Okay.
this we will come to in one
We
of our
will come to
episodes.
it. Yes.
That is
we
the
And
have.
running
yes,
theory. That is the running theory.
no,
कि
it
these
is,
people,
it
these
is, it
people
is.
have
I'm
sold themselves to the devil, so the devil has given them as a ungodly
Immunity.
wealth. Ungodly
I'm
wealth,
with you,
bhai.
Nushazar.
No,
I'm
no. So
ठीक
I'm
है.
you
with you,
miss.
Nushazar, on this.
No, the Illuminati is it the
Yeah,
Illuminati? हो भी
we
सकता
can
है,
talk.
you know.
We can take that name.
Oh,
भाई
sorry.
already तुम्हारे पीछे triangle है.
Yeah.
अरे
You'll
हाँ
you
यार, I am so scared. You know.
you'll have to
Cut it,
edit
cut it,
this.
cut it.
ठीक
bro.
है ठीक.
You know, there is still a cancel culture on because of a reason. You know, so
हाँ, okay.
अभी देखो एक चीज बोल रहा हूँ. Our cameras are all on. You don't know who's watching.
True.
yeah,
The
exactly.
Freemasons. But you know, but the Freemasons, the Knights Templar, they were like the first richest organization in the world. They were like the first billionaires because they started the banking system. Again, we'll talk about history some other day. I can just talk about the Knights Templar. You know, I've done complete research on that. It's an amazing chapter. But yes, I agree with you. We will do conspiracy theories on a later subject when it comes to superstition. हाँ, तो मेरा वही है कि यार this is what like काला जादू, like even in movies, you know, we use so much of काला जादू, we use so much of this, you know. एक तांत्रिक आता है, वो बात करता है, because see, we live in cities, but even here we believe that. Imagine the interiors, imagine the villages, imagine the small towns. वहां पर तो superstition इतना powerful है, because वही हो गया ना. So what is superstition? It is an urban legend which a friend of a friend of a family has gone through. तो आपको लगता है अरे भाई मुझे तो नहीं चाहिए भाई, जैसा हूँ ठीक है, ये तो नहीं चाहिए मुझे. I think that is
Like
what
like
actually
I'm sure
superstition
it's
is.
stemmed from something. No, like imagine unfortunate accidents. ठीक है, where a black cat crossed the road and unfortunately, coincidentally, the guy
Accident हो
gets
गया.
run over. They'll be like shit. तो सच हो गया.
Correct.
It's a coincidence. ठीक है, it has
Yeah.
no relation. But then you get that thing, no, कि oh, I saw this happening. Now I'll go and tell someone. That someone will tell 20 other people, and then it spreads.
Speaking of premonition, sorry, it just popped in my head. You know, Final Destination is that only, na? Premonition.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Correct.
But I tell you, ये जो black magic है भाई, इसके भी दो dimensions है. One
जैसे कि
is the one that you're mentioning, that it is directed to somebody. Okay, कि इसका बुरा हो या इसका कुछ अच्छा ना हो. The other one is just please the black magic gods or whatever, you know, and they want something in return. So it is just left that, whoever is going to fall for it will fall for it. Okay.
Like a
So
sacrifice.
yeah, like a sacrifice, or like, getting somebody trapped in some sort of a scheme.
Not a
Like
not
in
a
order to
literal.
please the gods. Yeah, no, I know,
not
I know
a
what you mean. Not a literal killing sacrifice. I get that. But it's like whoever falls for this is a victim because the gods of black magic want to be, pleasured, and they want to be
Yes.
devoured. They want to devour a
Yes.
soul.
Yes,
Yes.
and the doer gets something in return for it. Some
Ah.
sort of a superpower, wealth, or whatever.
This is the theory that is running for these billionaires. Same
Yeah.
thing. ये नहीं
करेंगे
because
करेंगे बात करेंगे
ये
पक्का।
लोग तो क्या क्या बोलते हैं भाई कि oh in his quest for power he basically ruined this guy's career, that guy's career, this guy disappeared, that guy disappeared and all, and these guys are like they are like ritualistic sacrifices.
Maybe tomorrow, not maybe, one day, I know this is going to happen. When we become those billionaires, then we will know, oh, this was the process. Then maybe we'll have another podcast saying that, guys, we know
Try it.
how we came here. So we'll
Try
tell
it out.
we'll give you a manual, step by step procedure of becoming a billionaire.
Cancel culture is real. Okay.
ठीक है भाई, समझ गया
And
मैं।
you need to edit all of this.
No, it's
Otherwise,
okay.
otherwise Siri and Alexa will start laughing at us.
Arey, whenever we ask now,
That's
my
true,
wife,
yes.
no, my wife, she has this, panga attitude. So she loves that. So she asks Alexa, she's here only. Oh, sorry. She asks her. नहीं वो सुन लेगी वो।
AliEx say AliEx से
हाँ वही that
How
Amazon
scared
product।
are we,
नहीं वो इधर ही बैठी है यार, she can listen। हाँ तो then she asks her कि would machines take over? You know what she says? I am not assigned to answer that question. Imagine.
Yeah.
How scary is that? That is like, borderline scary. Like,
Hey,
I'm
you
not
guys-
assigned to answer that question.
Did you guys see that, that reel that came out? There was a mini robot which asked 12 bigger robots that, how is your work-life balance? So the robots are saying we never get off work.
Damn, bro.
So that little one kidnaps 12 of them and asks them to resign.
That is
Quit your
scary.
job.
That is scary. No, now see now, just speaking of AI, Gemini just came out, no? Google Gemini.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's an app which is free for Google and you can
told
just
that guy
talk.
to kill himself.
Pardon?
I read an article where Gemini AI told a student to kill himself.
That's scary.
Yeah.
That's very scary.
I read about that.
No, but what I'm trying to say is that, the way things are going, you never know. You never know. Correct. So, okay, tell me one thing. Speaking of superstition, what is the one way to tackle superstition? We have spoken about कि घर पर ये superstition होता है. We have spoken about this big mega superstition, top 10 के जो है. What is the one way you think you and the audience watching us can tackle these superstitions if they choose to, of course? Because I know
Like-
this comes from insecurity.
It
So it takes a lot
comes
of time, but
from
still.
it comes from anything. Like you stop talking about it, it phases out throughout history.
Correct.
That is, I think, the best way of doing it. Like just don't bother with it.
No. How do you tackle? Like, what would you tell them? Like, have you tackled a superstition? So
Yeah.
give that
So
advice.
ये सब है ना कि this scissor का thing and stuff. Like now, for example, मुझे गर्मी लग रही थी, ठीक है, घर पे. So I shut the door in the living room,
Hmm.
and my grandmother's all, why you shut the door? Lakshmi आई. अरे गर्मी
गर्मी
लग रही है, AC ऑन कर रहा हूँ, दरवाजा बंद होना चाहिए. बस keep the door shut. What happened? Nothing happened.
कुछ नहीं हुआ. Correct.
ठीक है. And I believe कि अगर आना भी है ना, so someone who is so omniscient and omnipresent can come through anywhere.
Anyway,
That is
exactly.
my belief. ठीक है.
Exactly.
मैंने उनको वही बोला कि like लक्ष्मी माता है, omnipresent है, she is here only.
She's
She
always
doesn't
with
have
us.
to
Gods
enter
are
your
always
house.
with us. Exactly. Exactly.
ठीक है. She is everywhere. So just relax. घर आ गई है. ऐसा.
सही. Now, speaking of this, I want to just.
But the
put
lemon
this-
thing, तो
नहीं वो
I'm
तो
telling
तेरा
you, it's-
just steer the other way is what you'll say.
the thing is कि it's easy to say, ठीक है, कि like just avoid, like go over it, क्या होगा? But that inkling is there in your mind, and that is another topic I wanted to get to, कि you can tackle things, ठीक है, but then what about the mental toll is going to take on you? कि
True.
you will see a black cat cross the like cross in front of you right before you're crossing the road. Will you think twice if you believe it? मतलब I don't believe, मैं तो कर दूंगा.
नहीं, see, honestly, because I have grown up with this black cat thing, for a second, I will stop. Definitely. But I'm like, क्या है, बेचारी तो काली बिल्ली है.
हाँ हाँ.
Let her cross. And then
You
I
still
cross.
stop, no? You still stop. So then that
Habit, na?
It
mental
just kicks in like
conditioning,
that, yeah.
that mental
Mental
conditioning and that
conditioning.
mental toll it will take for you to cross that road na, is
And
why
then
it
you'll
makes it
think,
difficult.
then you'll analyze the entire day. You know,
हाँ.
कि मैंने तो
कि
cross किया,
कुछ
कुछ तो हुआ
गड़बड़
नहीं.
हुआ क्या?
It's because of that.
Yeah, yeah.
Our parents, yeah. It's the parents who made
So
us.
my main this thing is this only, कि stop talking about it. When you stop talking about something, it'll phase out on
It'll
its
go
own.
away. Like the boogeyman. You know, don't talk about it, it'll go away.
हाँ, it देखा है ना.
हाँ, वही.
So because they are scared he gets power, the moment they अरे तू तो कुछ नहीं है, they defeated it. It's like that.
Exactly. So what is it? What is it? It's overcoming your own fear, no? It's
हाँ.
overcoming your own insecurities. वही तो बात है.
So the more like Pennywise could not affect a kid who has not seen him or doesn't know about him, because then he doesn't get that power. It's like Freddy
Exactly.
Krueger also.
Correct.
Okay. So it's
Correct.
the same here. The moment if you don't know about it only, that will never infect you.
Never infect you. Very true.
It's like that. So the best way to do it is to stop talking about it. So
I do want to
Hmm.
say this one small thing about my nani, my mom's mother. She passed away a couple of years ago.
Oh.
God rest her soul. But you know what? Whenever I have conversations about her with my mom, I say that I wish she was alive today, because she was the most open-minded, most liberal, most forward-speaking woman, I've heard of. Because she passed away when I was relatively young, like I was in my teens, so I did not get this thought process what I have today. I'll give you one example what she used to say. So बोलते हैं ना, like speaking of superstition, बोलते हैं कि यार diamond कभी देना नहीं चाहिए, पनवती होता है, stuff like that. She said, she used to tell my mother, I'm like, people who can afford to buy a diamond are so lucky because they have that much of money. Where is the superstition there? You should be lucky that you have that much of money to buy a diamond. You see the thought process. एक तरफ आप बोल रहे हो कि unlucky है, and here my grandmother is saying that you're lucky that you have that much of money to get a diamond.
True.
You see,
True.
I wish she was alive today. I could have had so many great conversations with her. Again, वही हो गया ना, आप एक चीज नींबू को देखो, आपके गाड़ी के लिए अच्छा है, पर रास्ते पे बुरा है. Stuff like that. What about you, Bhushan? How would you tackle superstition?
So for me, how I have tackled this black cat or cat crossing the road and then stop superstition is reverse psychology.
Okay.
So if my mind tells me that something bad is going to happen, I say that this is a good omen. कुछ अच्छा होगा.
Very
And
good.
believe me, I've been able to reverse that thought, because there was this programming that I had seen. Somebody was talking about astrology and he was talking about the cat crossing the road. So he kept singing that बिल्ली हमारी मौसी है, हमारा ख्याल रखती है. And whenever I would see a cat cross, I'd like, बिल्ली हमारी मौसी है, हमारा ख्याल रखती है. And it just went away completely. So
True.
now if the cat crosses and I have to cross, I don't even stop for that second. Okay, I always say बिल्ली हमारी मौसी है, हमारा ख्याल रखती है.
Correct. That is there. So yeah. So how would you tell the audience to do that?
So if you're superstitious about something and you really feel that there's nothing in it, it's just your mind, associate something positive with it. Okay, because if it is said कि यार ये करने से ये होगा ना, associate something positive. So it is reverse psychology, but it's all in your mind. If you have to reprogram your mind that way, it will function that way. Instead of looking for something bad to happen, you start actually looking forward to something nice to happen.
That is very good.
Yeah.
Reverse psychology. See, now we are, of course, coming to the end of the episode. Definitely, I would like to say this, summarizing this episode. Again, we have superstition ऐसी बात है where we can talk about urban legends, folklore, myth, from where this comes from. It's a very big rabbit hole. But summarizing whatever I've heard from you guys and from my own personal experience, again, as I said, it all comes from conditioning. One. Second, it comes from the fact that you're afraid of the insecurities what life can give you. see, nobody, the Almighty, the universe, energy, God, whatever you want to call it, fate is decided by them, by it. So we are nobody to say that, okay, ye karunga to ye hoga, wo karunga to wo hoga. What is written is written. That is what I believe in. But I also believe that to avoid these insecurities, because then they control you. जैसे हमने लास्ट
Correct.
एपिसोड में बात की थी कि डोंट लेट थिंग्स कंट्रोल यू, यू शुड कंट्रोल देम. इनविक्टस का क्या स्लोगन है? आई एम द कैप्टन of no, I am the master of my soul. What was it? I'm the captain of my ship. I am the master of my soul. So basically you are the one who's in charge. आपने देखा, ठीक है, जैसे क्या बोला मैंने, you might hesitate for a second कि यार बिल्ली ने क्रॉस किया है, but then because वो कंडीशनिंग है, आपको बताया गया कि जैसे लाइक हाउ हम लोग आग को देख के टच नहीं करते, हमें बताया गया कि यार तुम्हारे हाथ जलेंगे, दैट इज वेरी गुड. तो वैसे ही कंडीशनिंग ठीक है, वो तो आपके ब्रेन को बताया गया है कि देखो ये लाल है, ये हरा है ना. इफ यू टेल अ चाइल्ड अ ग्रीन कलर प्लांट इज येलो, ही विल थिंक इट्स येलो. वही ना, कंडीशनिंग की बात हो गई. तो वही है. सो कंडीशनिंग विल स्टॉप यू, बट देन डोंट लेट इट कंट्रोल यू. It's very human to error, very human to feel a little bit of nervousness, but to outcome जो होना चाहिए has to always be positive. कि यार ठीक है, in the end it is only superstition. You don't read in the news, ये बिल्ली ने रास्ता क्रॉस किया, इतने लोगों की मौत हुई. You don't read that. That is only superstition. That is, a friend of a friend of a friend. Yeah, Nushaza, what are you saying? Sorry.
It's very human to err, not error.
वही
Not
यार, इतना अच्छा मैंने मोनोलॉग दिया. Yes, air. Okay. हवा, air. खुश?
ERR.
ERR.
Yes. हाँ, पता है, air. Okay. It's very human. So let me rephrase it. It's very human for us to air. खुश? हो गया?
Congrats.
तसल्ली हो गई? Thank you. Sorry guys, this is what he does, when I give these amazing, ends monologue speeches.
I let you finish.
खत्म ही नहीं किया ना मैंने. तूने ऐसे उंगली उठाई. Yes sir. Want to
Oh.
say something sir? Sir, one thing sir. क्या अभी
But
भूषण बोल?
but why I want to add this, that a lot of these superstitions have been passed on through generations.
Of
Okay.
course.
So, whenever the idea is that it is time for us to pass on some things to the next generation, we might as well not pass on any superstition.
Exactly.
That's
You
what I'm
know,
saying. That's
I-
what I'm
Very
talking
good
about
point.
it.
Yeah. Very good point.
don't tell our kids or our nieces and nephews ये ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, ये ऐसा नहीं होता है, इससे ये होता है. Let's not pass that on, because the idea is that you can caution them about certain things like the lemon and the coconut. You can caution them, but don't condition them कि बिल्ली रास्ता काट गई तो रुक जाओ, अरे वो कुछ कांच फूट गया तो रुक जाओ. So this is another thing, a broken glass. Okay. दूध उबल के बाहर निकल गया. Okay. It was always considered bad. Now I always say कि glass is broken ना, चलो कुछ बहुत बुरा होना था तो कांच टूट गया, कुछ अच्छा हो, चलो. It is gone, it is settled for less. So whenever somebody meets with an accident, वो बोलते हैं अरे यार बहुत बुरा हुआ, बॉस कुछ बहुत बुरा होने वाला था, इतने में सेटल हो गया. Be happy about it.
Very true.
So
Very true.
the idea is that what do you draw at the end of it? You can always draw millions of negative things, but even if you're able to draw one or two positives, that's good enough.
वही कि
Agreed.
it's always looking at the other side of the coin. ये करने
Correct.
की जरूरत नहीं. So yeah, so that's great. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in to another amazing episode of the Three Desi Amigos podcast. Me, Nushazar and Bhushan are always delighted to give you guys more info. And I really hope that, whatever we talk about, you guys relate it with as well. Because this is all about you, the viewers and the listeners. And, please write in the comment section how you are liking our episodes and what would you like for us to talk about next. So this is me, Mimo, signing off. Until next time, Nushazar and Bhushan will do it as well.
See you guys. Had a very fun episode.
Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Looking forward to the next.
Thank you guys and see you on the next one very soon. Bye bye.